The selection panel for the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission was appointed on the 27th by His Excellency the President through a Gazette Notice number 715, and the panel was sworn in and had its first meeting on the 31st of January 2025. And as provided for in the Iebc Act, the selection panel, it says that it shall, within 7 days of its appointment, invite applications from qualified persons. And as a result of this provision, the panel proceeded to call for applications from qualified and interested persons through adverts placed in the print media on Saturday the 1st and subsequently in the Gazette, Kenya Gazette on the 3rd February 2025, and it can also be found on the Parliamentary Service Commission website. So far, as at 10th February, which is yesterday, the panel had received 339 applications. The application process is ongoing, and as placed in the advert, it shall expire at 5 p.m. on Saturday 15th February 2025. In the meantime, the panel is engaging with relevant stakeholders in preparation for the task ahead. The panel would like to express her gratitude to the members of the press, to the public, and the entire Kenyan populace for continuous support, encouragement, and coverage we have received in the last few days. The role of the media in shaping public perception and dialogue cannot be overstated, and we are truly thankful to you for giving us this unwavering support. Finally, the panel reassures the public that in the process of discharging her duties, members are guided by the provisions of the Constitution, the Iebc Act, Cap 7C, as well as other relevant laws, and we will keep to the fidelity of the task that we have been given, and will faithfully discharge it so that we give this country an honorable commission, and a commission that will foster democracy in Kenya. Thank you.
This is a new panel. Our expectations are that all applications must fall within the timelines that we have given, meaning that applications start as of when we made the advertisements and will end on 15th when the applications are closing at 5 p.m. We are expected to have a commission by April, when we shall give the names of the nominees to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. So thereafter, the processes that continue are as pertains the law, because the next step is for Parliament, and then from there on, the appointees will take over office. So if we give the names by the 25th of April, it means by May, we should be having a commission in accordance with the law. Thank you very much. Any other question? Matters pertaining to the law, we leave it to the court to make decisions. But as far as we are concerned, there are no injunctions. Therefore, we are continuing with our work with that member until as directed by the court, because this commission, this panel, I apologize, will adhere to the law. But as at now, there is no injunction. So we continue with our work. Thank you. The chairperson of this panel has been very clear and categorical in his statement that we shall adhere to the law. We are also making stakeholder engagements, and to ensure that we capacitate this selection panel, to ensure that we give Kenyans persons that are above reproach and persons that will adhere to the law and will bring back the reputation of Iebc as how Kenyans expect it to be.